Let's continue the chapter packing. And now George and Harris has decided to pack the food basket, and they started packing the hampers in a very happy mood. They wanted to show Jerome that they could also pack well, and Jerome was waited for them to create a mess because he considered Harris to be the worst packer in the world. So Jerome looked at the piles of the plates, cups, kettles, and bottles, the jars, pies, cake, and tomatoes, which they had to be packed into the hampers. He thought that as the boys would mess up, it would be an interesting things to watch. So the scene became interesting as they broke a cup at the starting. Jerome says that they broke the cup to indicate that they could do that too and to make things interesting. Harris placed the jars of the strawberry jam on the top of the tomatoes. The tomatoes were squeezed by the jar, and then they removed the damaged tomato with the help of a spoon. So, in that way, you can see they are George and Harris is creating the mess while packing the food basket. Next, George stepped on the butter, and Jerome remained silent but sat on the edge of the table to watch the action. His silence irritates his friends. They become nervous and stepped on the things. They kept the things behind them, and later, when they wanted them, they could not find them. They placed the pies on the bottom and kept heavier things on them, which smashed the pies. Okay, the boys overturned the can of salt on the everything, and Jerome says that they created a lot of confusion with a small piece of the butter. He had not seen anyone create so much mess with butter that was worth 1 and 2 pence, meaning it was a very small piece. Okay, it was very, they both created the mess with a very small piece of a butter. George removed it from his slippers and tried to put it into the kettle. As he was unable to do that, he placed it on a chair. Harris sat over it on the butter, and he stood up when both the boys went around the room looking for the piece of the butter. So, understood what was happening? The butter got stuck on the back of the Harris, and the George and Jerome was looking all around around in the room where was the butter. Such kind of the chaos in the scenario was there while packing the food basket by the George and Harris. George looked here and there at the empty seat on which he had placed the butter a few minutes ago. He took an oath of truthfulness that he had placed it there not even a minute ago. वो ये कहने लगा कि नहीं मैंने तो बटर यहीं रखा था, कहाँ चला गया यहाँ से. अक्सर ऐसा होता है ना, हम लोगों को जब मिलती नहीं है चीज़ें और हम ये कहते हैं कि अरे अभी तो यहीं रखी थी, एकदम से कैसे गायब हो गई. The same kind of the scene was situation was there. Once again they searched in the room. They met in the middle of the room empty-handed. They're moving here and there, and at last they're not getting it. George said that the disappearance of the butter was not most amazing that he had known. Harris said that this disappearance of the butter was a mystery. George saw the butter sticking on the Harris bag and said it had been there all this while. Harris turned around and asked where it was. George flew to Harris and they removed the butter and packed inside the teapot.